Dandy, are you still having issues with your breathing? Nope, you fixed that right last week. No issues since. You said you felt lonely unless I took notes. Is that true still? You and Arthur are great, but it's a little lonely. Come on, Delilah. There ain't no tune like me. Arthur! Dandy, we'd like you to meet Pebble. Just like the show, your pet rock, remember? I do remember. Oh, Pebble. And soon you'll have even more friends. It'll be a dream come true. Here, buddy, and Dandy, remember, your joy is my joy.